Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I showed my hauls. This is from Dollar Tree. They had a bunch of these fun like little drinking tumblers, how it has that inner layer and then the outer layer. The design is on the inner. I think there's like 2 layers of the plastic and then the green. And it just has like a lid like this. These are fun to have on hand to give as like gifts and stuff, or like a little package that you can give away. This one says eat, sleep, and be merry. That one said let it snow. And then I loved this one. Look at this. It's like that fun. It says merry and bright, like a iridescent holographic. And then they had a bunch of these ones. This one is the most wonderful time of the year, and it is on the back again. Again, if you remove this with acetone, it will show the etched design of this. Keep that in mind. This is the double insulated with the lid. So I got a couple of those. Nail files, I'm always using mine, losing mine, and misplacing them. I got a bigger one because I still like using these bigger embellishment boxes. Then I got some of these snowflakes. I think the last set I picked up were like a clear, and this one seemed a little bit smaller than the last one I got. So I got those. Got some glass. Ooh, why is this one broken? Glass ornaments. Glass containers. You know, for Happy Meal. And then I got the itty bitty version. These go very well in the embellishment box. And then I picked up 2 of these ornaments. They're all tangled, of course. Okay, this is what it looks like. Hot Mess Express. I got these to put sequins in it, kind of like Patty did, Mommy and Me Crafts. She kind of did like a scooping ice cream scoop thing and altered it, and I want to do that with this thing for Christmas. So yeah, that is it from the Dollar Tree, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.